Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. The tune-up and performance report for Brian in Tennessee on this new RCI-2970N2 straight 6-pill Waterbug with all Toshibas. Today we're going to be powering it with BM Technologies 270 amp power supply, variable voltage. We're going to have it at 13.9 volts continuous. It's on a regulated supply. Let's get right on with the show. You got your switch back here in the back, Brian. Up is off, down is on. I'll show you what the radio's doing first. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug, 1/2 watt carrier, and it'll turn up to about 2.5 watts. Hello, check. Check average power, 100-watt slug. Hello, 12 average. Go to the peak. Hello, at 37 watts peak. We're going to flip the amp on. Turn your power all the way down. About 4.5 watts all the way down. Turn it all the way up. 100-watt slug. Now you have about 37, 38 watts. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 73, 74 on the average. We go to peak mode. 200-watt scale. Turn the RF power down some. Hello, 200 watts in the corner. Now we're going to 5x position. There's 200 right there. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So about 225 watts peak. We're going to put that back in the middle. Pull the 100-watt slug out. Put the 1,000-watt slug in. Average mode. Flip the Waterbug on. Show you with the RF power all the way down. It will turn way down. So we're going to turn it all the way down, and I'll be right back. I'm going to swap the coaxes and hook up the Waterbug. Now I got the Waterbug hooked up here. RF power all the way down, 1,000-watt slug. Got her keying up there about 60 watts. Get a little more light on that. Average power mode. Low audio. It's about 575. Let's turn it up some. It's about a 450 watt carrier. Low audio. So we got about 550 bird watts. Turn our power all the way up. You can dead key about 540 watts and still have forward average power swing. Show you the peak numbers. Hello, 1,000 watt in the corner. We're going to go to the 2x position. Now we're reading like a 2,000 watt scale. Hello, that 800 over there is now 1,600. Hello, 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 hello. So we're getting 1,600 peak out of the straight 6 Waterbug. It's being lightly driven by this 2970N2. Smooth combination. Run forever. Your friend Truck. TruckCBSales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.